Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget. Today I'm talking about a problem that we've got coming up on the horizon. I want to make you all aware of it. We have here a Nest first generation thermostat. From the 25th of October, Google are saying that they are no longer supporting Nest first and second generation thermostats for you to use with your iPad or your phones, which for me is heartbreaking because I want to drive home from my holiday and I want to put my thermostat up to 21 so the house is toasty. Fall out with my husband about what number I'm putting at, but I want it nice and warm. And the really important thing to remember about this is why these Nests are so clever is that it remembers your schedule. So it remembers when I turn it up a bit, my husband turns it back down a bit. It remembers all that and it makes you a sort of specialised schedule just for your week, knowing, when you want the house warmer and when it can be colder. The problem is we think that on the 25th of October, all of those schedules will be deleted. They'll be gone. The best way to counteract this probably is to record it for yourself so that you know what your schedule is. I have no idea what our schedule is. So because this is all through Google, there is no way of saving this schedule. It's just going to be disappear. So that's why recording it on your phone, by looking at the Nest, that's the only way you're going to be able to keep an idea of what your schedule is so that you will be able to reset it when after the 25th of October. Okay, thank you for watching. And also just to sort of let you know, we will probably end up having to change our Nest thermostat because of this problem. So we'll have to move away from the first or second generation Nest. So if and when we have to do that, we will let you know how we do that. Thanks for watching.